Either kill me or take me as I am, because I will be damned if I ever change. My manner of thinking, so you say, cannot be approved. Do you suppose I care? A poor fool indeed is he who adopts a manner of thinking for others. In order to know virtue, we must first acquaint ourselves with vice. It is only by way of pain one arrives at pleasure. Is one expected to be a gentleman when one is stiff? We are no guiltier in following the primitive impulses that govern us than is the Nile for her flutes or the sea for her waves. Sexual pleasure is, I agree, a passion to which all others are subordinate but in which they all unite. If it is the dirty element that gives pleasure to the act of lust, then the dirtier it is, the more pleasurable it is bound to be. To judge from the nations expounded by the Ologians, one must conclude that God created most men simply with a view to crowding hell. What does one want when one is engaged in the sexual act? That everything around you give you its utter attention. Think only of you, care only for you. Every man wants to be a tyrant when he fornicates. Certain souls may seem harsh to others, but it is just a way, beknownst only to them, of caring and feeling more deeply. The man who allows his way of thinking to suit others is a fool. There is no God, nature sufficeth unto herself. In no wise hath she need of an author. Lust is to the other passions what the nervous fluid is to life. It supports them all, lends strength to them all. Ambition, cruelty, avarice, revenge are all founded on lust. Beauty belongs to the sphere of the simple, the ordinary, whilst ugliness is something extraordinary, and there is no question but that every ardent imagination preferred in lubricity the extraordinary to the commonplace. How delightful are the pleasures of the imagination! In those delectable moments, the whole world is ours. Not a single creature resists us. We devastated the world. We repopulated it with new objects, which, in turn, we emulate. The means to every crime is ours, and we employ them all. We multiply. Social order at the expense of liberty is hardly a bargain. Sex without pain is like food without taste. I want to be the victim of his errors. You say that my way of thinking cannot be tolerated. What of it? The man who allows his way of thinking to suit others is a fool. My way of thinking is the result of my reflections. It is part of my inner being. The way I am made, I do not certain them, and would not even if I wished to. For my system, which you disapproved of, is also my greatest comfort in life, the source of all my happiness. It means more to me than my life itself. Your body is the cruise where nature asks to be reverenced. All universal moral principles are idle fancies. What we are doing here is only the image of what we would like to do. When she is abandoned her moral center and teachings, when she is cast aside her facade of property and ladylike demeanor, when I have so crafted this fragile thing and brought out a writing, mewling, barking, wanton war for my enjoyment and pleasure, enticing from within these feral lions, growling and scratching and beating, taking everything I dish out to her at the moment she is never more beautiful to me.